Bow making tutorial collection. First, pinch 2 single bubbles, each 2 fingers wide. Connect the ends and thread the nozzle through the middle. Wrap around the center line to form 2 bare ear knots. Tuck a 3-finger bubble into the bare ear knot. Repeat the same on the other side. Release excess air, then tie it off. Trim the excess balloon. Second, pinch a 2-finger width duck ear twist. Continue to secure with a bare ear knot. Same on the other side. Wrap to secure. After releasing the excess air, tie a knot. Trim the excess balloon neck. Adjust the bow shape. Third, make another 2-ear twist. Make 2 2-finger wide single bubbles. Secure to the double ear knot. On the other side, repeat the steps to make another set. Wrap around to the side and create a 2-ear twist. Lock the air by wrapping it into a bare ear knot. Repeat the step. Release excess gas. Trim the neck. Third one done. Fourth, create a 5-finger single bubble. Twist 2 finger bubbles into a pinch twist. Create a 5-finger measured ring and wrap it securely around the ear knot. Follow the same steps to make another one. Continue making a 5-finger single bubble. Release the excess air and tie a tight knot to secure. Trim the neck of the balloon. Did you get it?